I think you really succeeded with your videos. I think you kind of touched on the best tone of communicating these wines. First of all, your personality probably it's coming from deep within. Your enthusiasm really shows for the people who maybe not even deep into the wine culture. They might not understand the way of opening such cases or such bottles, but how you communicate it, I think it's really approachable, and I think this way we can really bring in more people into the culture of wine. This is a great stepway stone.
Exactly, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to say as well, because I think it's all a journey, right? So it was a journey for me, just as it is for anyone else. And we go from starting off buying cheap wines in the supermarket, thinking, oh, I quite like this, to then suddenly taking that one step above, and then you take that step and you think, actually, this is great. And so you make that step, and then a little bit later you make another step, and then you find yourself spending far too much money on Burgundy, which is
that's
dangerous.
That's the final level,
absolutely,
of wine enthusiast.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.